Top Mexican Destinations, your ultimate travel guide. Discover the ancient ruins of Chichen Itza, a marvel of Mayan architecture that stands as a testament to the ingenious engineering and astronomical knowledge of the Maya civilization. This UNESCO World Heritage Site, famous for the iconic El Castillo Pyramid, offers a glimpse into the rich cultural heritage of ancient Mesoamerica. Explore the crystal-clear waters and white sands of Cancun's beaches, a tropical paradise that beckons travellers from around the globe. The pristine coastline, renowned for its vibrant marine life and coral reefs, provides an idyllic setting for relaxation, water sports, and unforgettable sunsets. Wander through the colourful streets of San Miguel de Allende, where every corner tells a story. This enchanting city, known for its well-preserved colonial architecture and thriving arts scene, invites visitors to explore its charming boutiques, art galleries, and lively marketplaces amidst a backdrop of historic beauty. Dive into the underwater world of Cozumel, a scuba diver's paradise renowned for its spectacular coral reefs and abundant marine life. The island's clear, warm waters offer visibility for exploring the mesmerising underwater landscapes, making it a top destination for divers and snorkelers seeking adventure beneath the waves. Experience the vibrant culture and history of Mexico City's Zocalo, the heart of the capital where ancient and modern worlds converge. This bustling square, surrounded by majestic landmarks and historic buildings, hosts a myriad of cultural events, offering a window into the soul of Mexico through its lively festivals and traditions. Nestled along the Pacific coast, the surf town of Sayulita, Nayarit, offers a laid-back vibe that attracts surfers and beach lovers alike. Its cobblestone streets, vibrant murals and bustling marketplaces selling handmade crafts make it a cultural haven. The town's small but lively surf community ensures a welcoming atmosphere for newcomers eager to catch their first wave. The journey through Copper Canyon aboard the Chepe train unveils Mexico's stunning natural beauty. This breathtaking experience takes passengers through lush forests, past towering cliffs, and over deep ravines, offering panoramic views that are unparalleled. Each stop along the way reveals charming villages and the opportunity to explore the canyon's majestic landscapes up close. Guanajuato, a colonial gem, is a city steeped in history and culture. Its narrow, winding streets and brightly coloured buildings create a picturesque setting. Underground tunnels that once diverted floodwaters now serve as unique thoroughfares. The city's rich history, vibrant cultural scene, and the famous annual Cervantino Festival make it a must-visit destination. Los Cabos stands out for its luxurious resorts, fine dining, and vibrant nightlife. This upscale destination, where the desert meets the sea, offers pristine beaches, world-class golf courses, and the famous Arch at Land's End. Whether seeking adventure or relaxation, visitors can find their perfect escape in this sun-drenched paradise. Oaxaca is a cultural tapestry, rich with indigenous traditions and famous for its markets. Here, visitors can immerse themselves in a world of colour, taste and tradition. The city is renowned for its culinary heritage, including mole and mezcal, and its bustling markets where artisans sell textiles, pottery and other handmade crafts. This region offers a profound glimpse into Mexico's soul, celebrating its past while embracing the present. Immerse yourself in the magic of Tulum, where history meets the horizon. This enchanting town is home to some of the most stunning Mayan ruins, perched above the turquoise waters of the Caribbean Sea. Explore ancient temples and castles, then relax on the pristine beaches that make Tulum unforgettable. Venture into the heart of Chiapas to discover the Sumidero Canyon National Park. This natural wonder, with its towering cliffs and vibrant wildlife, offers breathtaking boat rides down the Grijalva River. Marvel at the sheer beauty of this place, where every turn presents a picture-perfect view of Mexico's diverse landscapes. The Monarch Butterfly Biosphere Reserve is a spectacle of nature that captivates the heart of every visitor. Every year, millions of monarch butterflies migrate here, creating a living tapestry of colour in the forests. Witnessing this extraordinary phenomenon is a reminder of nature's delicate balance and beauty. San Cristobal de las Casas, nestled in the mountains of Chiapas, is a town where time seems to stand still. Wander through cobblestone streets, soaking up the colonial architecture, vibrant markets and local crafts. The nearby natural springs offer a serene escape, inviting you to relax in their healing waters. Isla Holbox is a hidden gem where the pace of life slows down. This car-free island paradise boasts miles of unspoiled beaches, inviting you to disconnect and enjoy simple pleasures. Kayak through mangroves, swim with whale sharks, or simply bask in the serenity of Holbox's stunning sunsets.